Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the marker and preparing deliberately. If it is dry erase, you can be gentler. Permanent needs a solvent. Once done, test your chosen cleaner on an inconspicuous spot to avoid damage and prepare isopropyl alcohol 70% or higher, a microfiber cloth, and a cotton swab for edges. Make sure to protect adjacent areas with tape or paper. This immediate preparation prevents spreading the stain and lets you begin targeted removal without guessing. You now attack the stain methodically. Apply solvent onto the cloth rather than the surface so you control saturation. Start at the stained edges to contain spread. Once the ink softens, blot with short, firm motions. This lifts pigment instead of grinding it deeper. For textured areas, use a cotton swab to reach grooves and switch to a clean cloth as the ink transfers. If ink persists, repeat 2 to 3 cycles, because gradual lifting preserves the finish and avoids overworking the area. You finish by removing all solvent residue. Wipe with a damp microfiber and dry thoroughly to prevent streaks. If a faint haze remains, use a melamine sponge or a stronger 90% alcohol wipe gently. This often clears ghosting. Make sure to rinse and dry after stronger solvents. Troubleshooting. If the mark refuses to budge, do not keep scrubbing. Stop and consider a specialist or refinishing, because aggressive treatment can damage the surface more than the original marker did.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.